Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CRO.com daily update. We are going to see two important charts, CRO against Bitcoin and CRO against USDT. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will be able to reallocate your portfolio from loss to profits, and you will also get an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. You will also get manual system with buying and selling opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates, and many more benefits. Buy me a coffee /Mind Your Crypto. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, and let's proceed quickly into a non-biased technical analysis. Right now you can see that CRO against Bitcoin right here where we have drawn a Fibonacci extension. From this bottom we had back on 2nd November, ending up to this top on 8th November, and ending up to this bottom on 10 November. And you can see that we had first the 0.5 Fibonacci extension as a resistance level. Then we went down and then we corrected a little bit, going up onto the 0.618, then finding sell pressure on the 0.786, and now onto the 1 Fibonacci extension level. Okay, so what is the future right now for CRO against Bitcoin? Can we go even higher, or from here we are going to correct all the way? Have we gone bearish a little bit on the 4-hour frame? Where are we going? Of course, we need now to remove the drawings to draw a new Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here up to this top. And you can see that we have some support levels, including this one right here. This in case we do not close above, we do not close below, because we might have a huge buying pressure and close above this support level as well. So this support level is still valid. And we go there and there. These are our major support levels on the short term. You can write them down, you can do whatever you want. And of course, I have these as support levels in case we correct, in case we drop on the 4-hour frame. Why are we correcting right now? It is simple. We have a very high risk with all of the risk metrics, including the RSI, which is more stable and not sensitive to the price action, commodity channel index as well, the stochastic RSI as well, and the Fisher transform. We have every risk in an overbought. That's why we are correcting a little bit. But let's go on the daily frame as well, because on the daily frame, you will see that we have a very high risk with the RSI, very high risk with the commodity channel index, but with the stochastic RSI we can grow potentially even more. Okay, and we can have another huge pump up right there. This is something unbelievable if it happens, and of course I haven't mentioned the next targets if that happens, which are the 0.50837, 0.50867, the 0.50889, and you can see the 912, the last one. Okay, so right now we are going to the price analysis. What I have done here is I have drawn another Fib extension from the bottom right here to the top and to the bottom. You can see that for this Fibonacci extension, we had the 0.618 as a resistance level, finding support on the 0.382. And then we proceed quickly, finding resistance on the 1. Then we had another pump up, and now we want to see if we close above this resistance support level right here. If we do that, this will be very good for CRO. But if we do not, that means we can consolidate for more. I'm going to give some price targets right here. The reason we are correcting is the same reason with the previous one we gave for CRO against Bitcoin chart. So the reason here is that we have a very high risk. That's why now we are correcting a little bit. Is it something we have to worry? Not at all yet. However, I will give some targets right here and you can decide by your own. I have the 45 cents as the best support level in order to hold and maybe have another wave. So I would focus more on the 45 and the 43.39 cents. Around there we might have a huge buying pressure. We might want to let the 20-day EMA reach the price right here. The more distance there is from the price to the 20-day EMA and the 50-day and so on, the more the risk we hold. So you always need to remember that. Okay, So the 48.69, 46.69, 45, 43, 39 cents are all incredible support levels. If we go to the daily frame, and afterwards I will have the next price targets. If we go to the daily frame, you can see that, and go to the risk metrics as well, you will see that we have the same pattern. The RSI is incredibly high, we have an overbought situation, therefore a very high risk, but the stochastic RSI is not. So we can grow potentially even more on the daily frame and push ourselves upwards. But what do we need in order to say that we have a clear buying opportunity? We need to close above this target right here, and especially around this target right there. Okay, if we close above the 48.69, it will be very, very good, especially if we close above the 50.89. As my next target, if we do that, I have the 59 and the 60 cents for CRO, okay, which is huge. But if you want to minimize the risk, you should be waiting for these targets, or better, you should be buying around this area or at 45 cents, okay? So either way, you can have profits and you can minimize the target. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription by me/mindyourcrypto. You will be able to trade 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities through an automated system. Something revolutionary. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.